actually really good. Ooh, it's a black.
It's a black.
I wanted this.
There's some black cardboard in there.
I wanted this.
I don't want to.
Oh, I had them open the wrong thing first. but, oh, Aaron's is correct.
Oh, gosh.
I mixed up which.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, that's funny.
I wanted this. What is this?
Here. Open this one instead.
I'm like, oh my god. Am I actually getting this window?
What'd you get, bud?
Oh yes, it's blue. This.
And that was in my room,
It's
too.
blue. Yes. I got this.
And
Okay, Daddy. What?
I ordered those online, and when they showed up, I opened them. So I already opened them, and I set up your account on yours and your account on yours, and I downloaded Mario Kart and the Leighton mystery game for you and something else for you. There's stuff on there. So there are games on there that you can play already.
I play it.
And there's a screen protector on each one.